This is a closer look at the 10 pack of the potato chip clips. Let's open up here and see what's inside. Packaged really nicely. You get 10 of these chip clips right here. They're about 3 inches long, and they open about 1.5 inches to seal up the package in here. You do have this matted on here, but they're just made out of nice materials. The springs are heavy duty here. I'm a repeat buyer of these. We had some before. Last time I picked these up, we had like an outdoor barbecue, and some of them just went missing, so it was just time to replenish it. But picked them up in a 10 pack here. You just did multiple colors. You got dark blue, black, gray. You got green, orange, blue. The green is very nice. Yellow, the orange is very bright too, but these are just really nice. They just do exactly what you need it to do. Sometimes on bitter bags you want to use 2 of them on there, but you can use this to like on like a magnetic area, and you could hold stuff up like papers and things like arts and crafts. I know some people do that like on the refrigerator. You'll put this on here, put a note on here, but we pretty much just use these for chip clips, and we're very happy with it. Again, get these in a 10 pack, 3 inches, magnet, opens up 1.5 inches. You'll definitely be happy with these. Definitely want to pick these up.